Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we're doing a wearable brown smoky eye look with a gold accent for a little pop of color. I'm just starting off by priming my lid with Maybelline Instant Age Rewind Concealer. And then setting the concealer with the shade Canvas from the Morphe James Charles palette. Next, I'm going to be going into the crease with the shade Agent from the Armed and Gorgeous palette from the Jaclyn Hill Morphe Vault collection. The next shade that I'm going to be blending into the crease is the shade Code James from the James Charles palette. And then dipping into the shade 10% Off, also from the James Charles palette, to deepen the crease a little bit. Taking the shade No Beans from the same palette, we're going to pack this all over the lid. And once that's done being packed on the lid, we're going to go back in with the blending brush and alternating between the colors Code James and 10% Off so that we're making sure that we're softening that hard line. Now I'm just deepening the color on the lid, and I lightly dipped into the shade Spooky from the James Charles palette and just dusted it over the lid on top of No Beans. Now going down to the lower lash line, I dipped back into No Beans, and I'm going to blend this color out with the shade Agent from the Armed and Gorgeous palette. Now going up to the brow bone for a highlight, I used the shade Ring Light from the James Charles palette. And after this, we're going for an inner corner highlight now, and I used the shade Coin, also from the Armed and Gorgeous palette. To make this glitter shade a little bit more metallic, after you pick up the shadow on the brush, you can spray it a little bit with setting powder and it'll give you that more of a metallic effect. So to finish off this look now, I used my NYX Black Liquid Liner that has a matte finish. And then just used a regular black eyeliner pencil and the waterline, and I ended this look with my tried and true Maybelline Lash Sensational Mascara. I hope you guys enjoyed this look. Please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more looks.